welcome to this video. So this is your village boy. This is MtkPol. Don't worry, we're here for adventure. Specifically, I'm here to explain those shorts. Yesterday I went for adventure in a local river. These are some of the coldest that you will need whenever you're somewhere for adventure, hikes. I don't know what you like. Check out those amazing pics. Training, trying to be productive, Yes, right away. Yesterday was a great day. We went for adventure. It was a walk adventure. Then we incorporated some specifically walk. We had a target of 20,000 steps. Eventually, we reached like 43,000. While using this, yesterday we smashed that goal. It's a video. Ona sasa vile tunachezanga na lens.